Dear Diary.
Today is Thursday, January 23rd. So, January 23rd. You have visual arts class, and you don't come with a ruler, you don't come with a pen, you don't come with a pencil, you don't come with an eraser, you don't come with a sharpener, you don't come with a scrapbook, you don't come with the paints, you don't come with a paintbrush, you don't come with anything.
Sometimes as a visual arts teacher, lacking materials can be very frustrating, but nevertheless, we as teacher, we have to find our way around it. I know how to navigate around it. Comment down below and let me know how you navigate around it, and let us help each other out
Yes,
as
guys,
teachers.
so that is what happened today so far. So I will see you guys in the next one.